Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix sound or audio problem in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is steps to fix sound problem in Black Ops 7. On your PC, open Windows settings, then click on System, Sound, Advanced, and then click on More Sound Settings. Then click on your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Now go to the Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select off. Then click on apply and then OK. Now if Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2. If you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Then right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit apply and then launch the game and check if your issue is solved or not. Solution 3. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Black Ops 7 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using a headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Solution 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way you can easily fix sound or audio problem in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.